What's up mga pusong gala? ComicalRaf na pala, nagbabalik sa panibagong video ng ComicalRaf na vlog ini. Yan po no, at bigyan ko lang kayong konting update. Yan, currently nasa SM North EDSA ako. Kasama ko mga kaibigan sa college. At kung hindi nyo po alam, may isa akong computer science student. Haha, mamamatay na. So currently nasa Nord's Bread Hub kami. We're going to have our dinner. At ipupuntahan kaming event mamaya na isa sa kaibigan ko. Kasi itong isang to. Hoy, musta yung upload mo to?
Doing great, like you, dying. Upload to.
I can't upload. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, si Shibi White to.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel for more video content, but I'm slowly dying.
Slowly dying.
I can't upload anymore.
No more games.
But congratulations, we reached 200 subscribers.
Oh! Mamaya ating kami ng event at hindi siya kasama si Shibi White. Sayang. Saddening. Yung event ay mag-start sa 10 PM yung event at currently ay mag-8 na. At kailangan ko lang mag-BS mamaya-maya. Pero kain muna kami ng dinner, bro.
Any watch? Nice.
Nasa utak yan. Prediction. Yung relo na sa utak ko. Anong oras na nga ba talaga? Yan po kaibigan, yung aking klase ay pumutilan na handa ng aming dinner. Yung mga tinapay. Wait lang. Bigyan ko kayo ng magandang close-up kung nasaan siya currently ngayon sa pila. That's the guy. I'm gonna put an arrow. That's the guy. So that was him. And he's nearing at the line of the cashier and we're gonna have our dinner. Ayun po no kaibigan.
Are you not gonna buy?
I am not gonna buy anything because I was a broke college student when I went to the party. I only have 3 digits. And I'm not gonna buy because isa akong buraot. Oh!
So currently we're just chilling and watching videos on Facebook.
Oh shit.
So we're still waiting for the food to come in because we
Like get home by 8:45. Yeah. 15-minute charge. What do you want to do by
No, I think kasi hanapin pa natin eh. So baka mahirapan tayo sa paghahanap. At yun. Update lang. But what the tingin nyo guys yung mga nakikita naming beams.
Oh.
So time to eat this shit now and
Parang walang exam.
you know, parang walang exam. Meron ba?
Meron ba?
Mod sim exam? Kaya yan to. Mod sim lang yan eh.
Kaya matay
Mod sim lang yan. Thesis lang ako nahihirapan. Ayan. Thank you po. Yan. So, kaya mo na kami. Let's go!
Okay, yung ice cream, you know, that ice cream thing. Yeah.
Sweetness. Get all those 100,000 taste buds. Garlic. Sugar. Perfection.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how you taste a bread.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get another one.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna
okay,
show.
yeah,
Look at it.
yeah.
This is how the French people eat toast bread. First,
Might dumating yung bread.
and you
Yes,
like
sir.
this? Take it.
The crunch.
The crunch.
So fancy.
Smell it.
Smell.
Crunch again. The crunch. Can you hear the crunch, baby? Oh no. Masarap siya, guys.
Sa may tablak ko.
Kung gusto niyo kumain sa North Bread, nasa SM North EDSA lang siya. Akit lang kayo at kumain kayo sa level 3. Bono mga pusang gala. Kakatapos lang namin kumain ng dinner. You know.
Tara yun.
Tara kayo.
Yung pakita.
Oh no. So ito, pusang gala. Oh yes. Ubus na siya actually guys. At Ang unang natapos sa amin ay sino unang nakatapos sa atin sa kumain? Siya yung unang tumapos na kain. Brrr.
Joke lang, ikaw.
Bro, hindi. Ako yung unang kumain, natapos. I think may advantage ako ng mga
5 seconds, one bread gone.
5 seconds, one bread gun. No, I'm a true Filipino.
Nice. Filipino blood.
I have a Filipino blood in me.
Sino ang tanga? Ako! So, nung nirecord ko pala yon, naka-vertical yung camera ko. Yung cellphone ko naka-vertical, kaya naka-record siya na naka-vertical, kaya ganun yung picture. Tsaka di ko masyado inayos yung pag-video kasi hindi ako nakatingin sa camera. Kasi ang pag-shot ko ng aking vlogs ay backcam ng aking cellphone, kaya di ko alam kung tama. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting update. Handa na kami. Time is around 9:30. Event starts at 10. And we're gonna be a little bit late. 10 minutes late, I think. Ready? Look at that. I'm ready and heading out. I think we're gonna head out. I think I know. Doon po nagtatapos ang aking vlog. At alam ko, di masyado ko na-record yung the party because it was too loud. Kaya parang wala rin kwenta. Kaya hindi ko siya masyado binidyo. And we got taken on the picture booths. And this is one of those pictures that me and my buddy went there. One of the people that we met. We met a lot of people actually, and it was a really fun place, a really cool dudes. Hopefully guys you enjoyed the video. So as I see you on the next video. Bye bye.